Let's talk to David now. He's going to talk about some rain headed our way later and then a beautiful weekend ahead.
Yeah, a lot to get to, and it is going to be an interesting next few days. Today, lower humidity, pleasant. It's going to be nice today, tonight, Wednesday morning, and then we're going to see some tropical rain moving in Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and through the day on Thursday. But then Friday into the weekend, we have some great fall weather as a reward for the weekend. So Hurricane Sally, here we go. This is the 5 a.m. advisory, 85-mile-per-hour winds, Category 1 hurricane. It is going to move onshore, and the latest update as of 5 a.m. has it, fortunately, not as strong as the last update, making landfall during the overnight hours of Wednesday at 85-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane somewhere around Gulfport, Mississippi. Notice the heavy rain off to the east of the storm. We'll address that more in a minute. It continues to move to the north, weakening to a tropical storm rapidly as it moves into Louisiana and Mississippi, Alabama. It continues to move northward. Now notice the 5 a.m. advisory has a lot of the rain staying to the south of Chattanooga, but that is going to change. You can see some of that rain clipping through the scenic city. Heaviest rain looks like it might stay to the south. Now this is as we head into Wednesday night through the day on Thursday, and then moving into Friday, you see all of the rain really moving out of the area, and by Friday and into the weekend, we'll see that system really weakening and dying out. So that's what's going on with Hurricane Sally. Now rainfall amounts, it is going to be highly dependent on the exact path of the storm. Let me show you an overall preview. We could see up to 20 inches of rain as the storm makes landfall, again, overnight tonight into early Wednesday morning. But as far northeast as Atlanta and up into South Carolina, we could see 7, 10, 11, 13 inches of rain easily in this ribbon of pink. Meanwhile, just outside of that, 3, 4, 5 inches of rain certainly possible in parts of Georgia, Alabama. Then you get up to Chattanooga and lesser amounts. So I'm going to show you two different model interpretations, and this is perfect for the northerly path and the southerly path. If the remnants of Sally move a little bit further to the south, and right now that's what the best model data is showing, then we're going to get maybe 1/3 of an inch up to 1/2 of an inch right around Chattanooga. Higher amounts up to 1, 2, maybe even 3 inches as we get down toward Ellijay and up into the Blue Ridge, maybe up to an inch, inch and a half. Now that is with a more southerly track, and those 5, 6, 7 inch rains will be down toward Atlanta. Now a more northerly track looks like this. Now we're looking at anywhere from 1, 2, 3 inches around Chattanooga, and south of the city 3, 4, 5 inches, maybe up to 6 inches in isolated spots south of the city. So this would be the heaviest rainfall amount that I think we would see, and that would be with a more northerly track. So different models showing different things, and we will refine the model data. They will come into more agreement even later today. So make sure you continue to watch WRCB, WRCBTV.com, the WRCB weather app for latest updates on that. Tropical Storm Teddy is out there. That is going to threaten Bermuda by the end of the weekend as a Category 3 storm. Bermuda just finishing up with Paulette, which is going to stay out over water. And now we're also looking at Tropical Storm Vicky, which isn't going to be an issue, but it is going to take up another name for the hurricane list. So high-res radar showing some rain around Atlanta, nothing here in Chattanooga. It'll stay that way today. Partly cloudy. I'll put a rain chance at 10%. Can't rule out 100% of sprinkle, but for the most part, it's going to be a nice day. Lower humidity, low to mid 80s, and just overall comfortable. We're going to stay dry and cool and comfortable in the low to mid 60s tomorrow morning, and then it should be nice until about 2, 3 o'clock. We'll start to see some of the rain bubbling northward from Sally. That's going to be the case through the afternoon. This is about 5, 6 o'clock. Still not much rain in McMinn County over toward Dunlap, Monteagle, but then as we move into Wednesday night, everybody's getting rain. You can see some of that rain heavy at times moving through the Chattanooga area, but notice where the heaviest rain is going to be, down toward Atlanta, and that's where the heaviest rain will stay and move eastward. But we will get some heavy bouts of rain. This is 7:30 Thursday morning. We move into lunchtime, and you see how things begin to break up a bit as this front comes in, picks up all of that moisture, and starts to push it off to the east. So this is 2 o'clock. Still some scattered areas of rainfall by 2 o'clock, but then as we move into Thursday night and Friday, we're going to see it drying out, cooling down, and that is going to set the stage for great weather this weekend. So low humidity, pleasant today. We're going to see temperatures in the low to mid 80s, even the upper 70s as we head up into the Blue Ridge. Cooler tomorrow morning, 66 in the morning, and we're watching Sally. We will get rain, exactly how much still up in the air, and then get ready for a drop dead gorgeous weekend. Lows dropping into the 50s this weekend with highs in the upper 70s, Lori.